Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to upload your resume on LinkedIn. This is a great way to make yourself more visible to recruiters and potential employers who are actively searching for candidates with your skills and experience. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're fully logged in before moving to the next step. Once you're logged in, look at the top right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where LinkedIn houses all the important configurations for your account, including privacy controls and job-seeking features. Now, on the left side of the settings page, you'll see several categories listed. Click on Data Privacy. This section controls how your information is shared and used on the platform, which is particularly important when it comes to job applications and recruiter visibility. Next, scroll down through the data privacy options until you find a section labeled Job Seeking Preferences. This is where LinkedIn keeps all the settings related to your job search activities, making it easier for recruiters to find you and for you to manage your applications. Under Job Seeking Preferences, click on Resumes and Job Applications Data. This specific section is designed to help you manage how your resume is stored and shared with potential employers on LinkedIn. Here you'll see an option that says Share Resume Data with Hirers. There's a toggle button next to it. Click this toggle to turn it on. Activating this setting allows recruiters and hiring managers to view your resume when they're searching for candidates, which significantly increases your chances of being discovered for relevant opportunities. Once the toggle is activated, you'll see a button that says Upload Resume. Click on it to proceed. This will open a file browser window on your computer. Navigate to the location where your resume is saved, select the file, and click Upload. LinkedIn accepts common file formats, so make sure your resume is saved as a PDF or Word document for best compatibility. The platform will then process and store your resume, making it accessible to recruiters who fit your preferences. And that's it. Your resume is now uploaded and actively being shared with potential employers on LinkedIn, opening up new opportunities for your career. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.